I'm Sally Gawley and I'm the head of ASPA Education. I was lucky enough to run the very first ASPA Education workshop back in 2009, and it's been exciting to be part of the growth of this amazing company. ASPA Ed exists to improve access to quality performing arts education. We do this by providing opportunities for teachers to engage in professional learning and by working with students in a range of educational settings. Teachers love the connection that ASPA Education Professional Development Days provide. Often teachers are the only performing arts educator in their school, and by working with ASPA Education they gain a colleague, they gain someone they can talk to, ask questions of and connect with. School leaders choose us to complement the work of their classroom teachers to really build the skills and the confidence of students before taking them through to a performance. Once we've been to a school and we've met their kids, we've met their school community and feel part of things, teachers really comment on how connected they feel. They feel that they're on the right track, that they're doing the right things, and just having more tools in their toolkit is what they need.